Ready?
Ready.
You go when you're ready. Yeah, baby. So that was the 01 Tundra without any rear exhaust, and here's the part number for the flange. Here's the bolts, and all you gotta do is, assuming this works, put this clamp on. But as you'll see at the end of the video, it doesn't work, and we gotta go back and try to get the stock factory OEM clamp, because you need something a little more wide, and you'll see why when we put that gasket in. So it's pretty easy. I mean, you just take off that clamp at the front, and then you got to slide out from those rubber stoppers, or those rubber exhaust hangers.
Go on, easier.
Slide those out and pull the exhaust out, put the new one in. Very simple change. Now here it is without the gasket in. We're just doing a test fit, and you could see it hugs it right before. It hugged right up to the front. But now watch when we put the gasket on here. Put that in. It's a great gasket. Seems like it'll really work well, but see how that space between the two angles